if you have a car, you must have car kit, and these items would be in that kit. Yes, you are listening right. I'm Gogi from How to Do, and today we're gonna talk about very important thing, that if you have these 10 things in your car, you never will get into trouble, because it's real scenarios. I have found that one day I was went to dropping my brother in midnight, and after that I forgot to switch off my car's light because I was in a lit light area, and after that I found that I am unable to start my car. Then got remember that I have a cable, and which is called. Let's begin the video. First of all, what it is a jumper start cable. I had this one is the jumper start cable. If you want, you can keep this type of air inflator, cars jumper starter and kind of thing, if you want to fully save. And if you want to just buy a jumper jump starter for your car, you can buy. The purchase link I will provide you in the description below and add over here too. So this is for the first. And the second thing is very important, very important for you, is that is this one is a car air inflator. Yes, if you don't have a air inflator, any day you can get stuck anywhere at midnight or on a empty road, and can be very bad for you. So be careful about it and just try to buy. Purchase link I will provide you in the description below. I have a Black and Decker one, and that is I have from last 6 years. Now the number next is fire extinguisher. Yes, you are listening right. If you don't have these type of things, and if you found that there is any spark or any little fire on your car, you cannot stop that, and that can burn your car. Yes, you are listening right. If you want to be safe, just try to buy these type of fire extinguisher. I will add. This is the very best thing. You should have a minimal uses toolkit with you for puncture repair kit, and the jumper cable and other things should be always into your car, because it can save you from a lot of things. This is a very little tool and can save you from a big problem. If your car got accident, and if you don't have a seat belt cutter, and if your car seat belt is not working, then you need a seat belt cutter. That is kind of this one. This is the blade over here, and it can cut the seat belt in just no time. And if your car is locked because of accident, and the disconnection from the battery, you cannot unlock your car from your hand, so you need to break the glass. And this option is over here, this one like this can break the glass in just seconds. So you should must have this item too. I will tag over here. You can buy that and give you the link description below. And this one, I think everyone know about it, but they don't check this properly on after month after. And this is the first aid kit, because your first aid kit should be always full and should have all kind of things, so that you can save yourself, and anybody got injured on the road, you can save them by just giving first aid from your first aid kit. Now the next one, that is, yes, car towing cable. That is very important. If you think that you want to be safe, this is just a little rupees item that can save you from getting stuck anywhere. If you have a towing cable, then just you can tow your car with anyone. And this is a very important with me. It happened with me that a biker came in front of my car and just suddenly braked, and I hit him. He was angry and wanted to fight with me, and I showed him a video on my mobile phone from this dash cam that you was wrong. Yes, you was coming from the wrong side and you broke the rules, and along with that you stop your bike in front of me without any requirement. So you are the original culprit. So you can buy, purchase link is given in the description below, and these items can save you from a big trouble if you have a car. The next one I am talking about, that mobile car charger. But keep in mind that the last one I will share the best pick if you have that thing. I use that. I gifted my friend with this Duracell car charger and the Portronics car charger, and along with this Embrun, and they are working perfectly. And if you want to buy anyone, the almost all works well, but you need to vote according to your mobile phone's charging speed. But what I use is these type of items. These can be used for charging your laptops too. I used this Ventro one and it worked for 2-3 years properly, and after that just got burnt by any reason, I don't know. And now I'm using this one from a whole year and it's working perfect, no problem is there. If you want to buy, you can buy anyone, because these type of have a two or one car charger and many USB ports, so that you can charge your car and other things, so I mean your mobile phone and power bank and etc. So hope you like this video and understood that how you can save yourself from any type of problem in on road, because if you don't have these accessories it can be very bad for you. And now I have found that this type of screws, these type of screws, and these you can add on a tire. For if they have punctured, you can add this and screw it up if you have a tubeless tire, and it can save you from many problems. I found it very working perfectly. Like, share, subscribe, hit bell icon for get more videos like description. Check out for more products, and I will tag over here too. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye now.